In this video, I'm going to discuss the most important multiple choice questions about Human Genome Project which comes in different competitive exams of biology। लिहाजा अपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1. The Human Genome Project was started in year 1990, 1992, 1994, 2003. So correct answer is option A. The Human Genome Project was started in year 1990. Question number 2. The Human Genome Project was initiated by NIH and DOE, NIH and EBI, NIH and DDBJ, DOE and DDBJ. So correct answer is option A. NIH National Institute of Health and DOE US Department of Energy initiated the Human Genome Project in year 1990. Question number 3. The largest gene in human genome is titin phosphofructokinase insulin dystrophin. So correct answer is option D. The largest gene in human genome is dystrophin and it almost consists of 2.4 million nitrogenous bases. Question number 4. According to Human Genome Project, the genetic similarity between all humans is 90%, 95%, 99.9%, 99.5%. So correct answer is option C. According to Human Genome Project, the genetic similarity between all human beings is 99.9%. Question number 5. Which of the following vectors are widely used in Human Genome Project? Plasmid and Casmids, lambda phage and M13 vectors, shuttle vectors only, BAC and YAC. So correct answer is option D. BAC bacterial artificial chromosome and YAC yeast artificial chromosomes are widely used as a vector in Human Genome Project. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें। हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। अकॉर्डिंग टू ह्यूमन जीनोम प्रोजेक्ट, human genome consists of approximately 1 lakh genes, 50,000 genes, 30,000 genes, 20,000 genes. So correct answer is option D. According to Human Genome Project, the human genome approximately consists of 20,000 genes. Question number 7. Human Genome Project was also focused on identifying SNP, VNTR, mini-satellites, junk DNA. So correct answer is option A. Human Genome Project was also focused on identifying the SNP, which are single nucleotide polymorphism locations on the DNA. Question number 8. Human Genome Project is completed in year 1990, 1992, 1994, 2003. So correct answer is option D. The Human Genome Project, which was started in 1990 but it completed in year 2003. Question 9. The major approaches used in Human Genome Project for identifying genes were BLAST technique, expressed sequence tags, sequence annotations, both B and C. So correct answer is option D. for identifying the genes in Human Genome Project, the major approaches that were used were express sequence tags as well as sequence annotation. So correct answer is option D, both B and C. Question 10. Last chromosomes that was sequenced in Human Genome Project was chromosome 1, chromosomes Y, chromosomes 21, chromosomes 11. So correct answer is option A. The last chromosomes that was sequenced in Human Genome Project was first human chromosomes, that is chromosome number 1. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी प्रेस कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Percentage of human genome encodes functional proteins is 1%, 15%, 30%, 99%. So correct answer is option A. The percentage of human genome that encodes functional proteins is less than 2%, almost equal to 1%. So correct answer is option A. Question number 12. The nitrogenous bases present in dystrophin gene are 1 millions, 2.4 millions, 20 millions, none of these. So correct answer is option B. The largest gene in human body is dystrophin gene and it contains 2.4 million nitrogenous bases. Question number 13. The total number of nucleotide bases in human genome is equal to 1000 million, 240 millions, 600 millions, 3164.7 million. So correct answer is option D. The total number of nucleotide bases in human genome is equal to 3164.7 million, nearly equal to 3 billion. Question 14. The least number of genes are present on which chromosome? Chromosome 1, chromosomes Y, chromosome 21, chromosome 11. So correct answer is option B. The least number of genes are present on chromosomes Y. It consists of almost 231 genes. Question number 15. The percentage of non-coding regions in human genome is 2%, 26%, 8%, 3%. So correct answer is option B. The percentage of non-coding regions in human genome, which are also known as introns, is almost equal to 26%. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. DNA transposons are present in human genome up to 2%, 26%, 8%, 3%. So correct answer is option D. The DNA transposons that are jumping genes are actually present up to 3% in human genome. Question number 17. The highest number of genes are present on chromosome 1, chromosome Y, chromosome 21, chromosome 11. So correct answer is option A. The highest number of genes are present on chromosome number 1 and it is equal to 2968, and that's why it is given number 1. Question number 18. The miscellaneous heterochromatin region present in Human Genome Project is 2%, 26%, 8%, 3%. So correct answer is option C. The miscellaneous heterochromatin that is present in human genome is up to 8%. Question 19. Which of the following makes up larger part of human genome? Introns, repeated sequences, heterochromatin, exons. So correct answer is option B. Repeated sequences makes up larger part of human genome. So correct answer is option B. Question 20. An average gene in the human genome has almost 1500 bases, 2000 bases, 3000 bases, 1000 bases. So correct answer is option C. An average gene in human genome has almost 3000 bases. तो ये थे 20 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट ह्यूमन जीनोम प्रोजेक्ट। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे।